Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at iOS 18.1 public beta on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple has rolled out some new features, improvements, and performance tweaks with this update. In this video, I'll break down what's new and share my experience using the beta on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's dive right in. iOS 18.1 is the first major update after the initial iOS 18 release, and it focuses on refining the experience with some much-needed adjustments. We're seeing minor UI enhancements, improved system stability, and a few bug fixes. Let's jump into what's new. Since I am having an iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple Intelligence is not available in this model. Luckily, call recording is not linked with Apple Intelligence, so I am able to record calls in iOS 18.1 public beta. The recording is saved in audio format in Notes app. I can share this recording as audio format via email, WhatsApp, etc., or save it to Files app. Second major improvement which I observed is the grouping and searching in Photos has improved a lot. As you can see with iOS 18.1, searching in Photos has improved a lot. We can use common keywords like year, specific objects to search through the photos and to quickly find the photos we need. Another change is the introduction of third-party apps in Control Center. For this, you need to ensure that all your apps are updated via the App Store so that the developers will push the iOS-related changes and integrations into the app. As we scroll through the Add a Control in Control Center, we can see many third-party apps listed. We can add those to the Control Center. One of the biggest changes in iOS 18.1 is the improved Live widgets. Apple has added even more interactive widgets that now refresh in real time, giving you up-to-the-minute information, whether it's weather updates or live sports scores. Now, how does iOS 18.1 perform on the iPhone 13 Pro Max? I've been using it for a few days, and I can say the experience has been pretty smooth. Multitasking is fluid, app transitions feel snappier, and I've had no major issues. Notifications are also more reliable now. The iPhone 13 Pro Max still holds up really well with this update. So, should you install iOS 18.1 public beta on your iPhone 13 Pro Max? If you enjoy testing out new features and don't mind a few rough edges, it's definitely worth checking out. The overall performance feels solid. Overall, iOS 18.1 public beta brings some exciting updates to iOS 18 and offers a solid experience on the iPhone 13 Pro Max.